So we got our compost bins in different stages, and you put basically the dry goods, the brown goods, the leaves on the bottom. Then you put on top the green stuff, green materials, plants. We even put weeds, but that's not necessarily recommended because you get seeds from that. But we do that, and then you put dirt on top and water. Here is a compost bin that came from our chicken run. It's a mixture of dirt and decomposed chicken poop. And so that's very good for the gardens. Here is another area that we've already composted. It's going to be ready to use in the spring. Here's one in partially. It's starting to go. As you can see, it's got a lot of dirt on it, and it's got some green stuff in there. It's got stuff growing out of it, And then here is a new one. Again, this one has leaves on the bottom, clippings on the top, and then we got to put dirt on top of that and water. So that's our status.